Yes, now students, adding the carry over. So without carrying numbers we did. So now carry over numbers we have to do. Carry over numbers. Then how to add? 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write the 15. This is ones and this is tens. 5 is in ones place and 1 we have to take in tens place. 5 is in ones place we have to take and 1 in tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. 45 is answer. In the same way, 8 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write here 12. This is ones, this is tens. This 2 is in ones place, this 1 in tens place. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 22. In the same way, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means this is ones, this is tens. 0 is in ones place, this 1 is in tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. In the same way, 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14. 14 means this is ones, this is tens. 4 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. 3 plus 1, 4, 44. Then 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here 30. 30 means this is ones, this is tens. 3 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 10. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Then ones place 0, tens place 1. Then 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8. Now 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. Then 10. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Ones place we keep 0 and tens place we have to take 1. 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. In the same way, 9. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Ones place we have to write 5, in tens place we have to take 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 95. Then 7 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 is in ones place, this is in tens place. Then 0 is in ones place, 1 in tens place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. The sum is 90. The sum is 90. Next. This is carry over 2 addends. Only 2 addends are here. First addend, second addend, first addend, second addend, first addend, second addend. But here 3 addends were there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 addends were there. See how to do if 3 addends. The method is same. Then 4. First you take a bigger number. 9. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Till here 12. 12 plus 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So right here 16. 16 means this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 6 we have to take in ones place and 1 we have to take in tens place. Then 8. 8 plus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 3. 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 1 also. 19. 196. 196. Here. 5 plus 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 14. 14 plus 4, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total 18. 18 means this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 8 is in ones place and this 1 is in tens place. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 148. 148. 3 addends sum. Now here 8. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 here. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 9 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 4, 15 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 199. 199 is our sum. Now, in this 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 0. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. Only a single digit number. So no need to regroup. No need to regroup. 5 is as it is in ones place. Then 1 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 55. 55. Next. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Then take this 3 in ones place and this 1 in tens place. 7. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 123 is our 3 addends sum. 3 addends sum is 123. Now 2. 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is a single digit, no need to regroup. No need to regroup. Then 4. 4 plus 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 115. 115. Now 4 plus 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 6 is in ones place and 1 in tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 126. 126. Now 6 plus 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Then ones place 3 and in tens place 2. 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 153. 153. Now the last question. 6 plus 9, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18. 18. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 8 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 108. This is our 3 addends sum. We have to find 3 addends sum in this way. Yes, now students, in workbook, word problems. See here, first question in word problem. Aisha gave 19 carats, Sudesh gave 28 carats, and Sunaina gave 25 carats. How many carats did they grow in all? Total. So 3 members have Aisha, Sudesh and Sunaina. So Aisha, how many carats? 19 carats. Sudesh, how many carats? 28 carats. And Sunaina, how many carats? 25 carats. They grow. So then total in all, so all the 3 members, how many carrots they grow? So he is asking. Total he is asking. Whenever total he is asking, so we have to add. We have to add all the carrots. What? First one is Aisha gave number of carrots. Number of carrots Sudesh gave, and Sunaina gave number of carrots. Then after that we have to find the sum. Find the sum of all the 3 members carrots. Then whatever is the answer, that is your answer. Total carrots, all the 3 members they grow. Okay. First, your solution steps first. Number of carrots. Number of carrots, Aisha. Aisha spelling A-A-Y-S-H. Aisha grew. How many carrots? 19 carrots. 19? 1, 9. 19 carrots. Next, number of carrots, Sudesh grew. Number of carrots. Number of carrots, Sudesh grow. How many carrots? 28 carrots. 28 carrots. Then Sunaina, how many carrots? 25 carrots. Then number of carrots. Number of carrots, Sunaina. Sunaina grew. How many carrots? 25 carrots. 25 carrots. Then how many carrots did they grow in all? In all. So how many carrots is asking? In all means we have to find addition. We have to find addition. Plus we have to find. Then this is our ones place. This is our tens place. These all are in ones place values. These all are in tens place values. So we have to add ones place values and we have to add after that tens place values. Ones place 9. After 9, 8 is a 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. So this is 22. In this 22, this is the ones and this is the tens place value. So ones place value, this ones place value we have to keep exactly below to this ones place, and this tens place value we have to take in tens place value, that to top of our tens place value. Okay. So this we know how to take carry and how to take over certain place, and so it is like that. In your next classes you will get in hundreds place, and that is, but you have here only 2 digits, so it is like this. First we have to take whatever there in the ones place, that sum we have to keep in ones place, and remaining tens place value, so that we have to keep here tens place 2 is there, so we have to take here 2, here 2 in tens place, so we have to take these 2. Okay. Now after that 2 plus 2, if you want to take from up to down, down to up, that is your wish. Why? Because if order of the addends will change, the answer remains same. So before previous problems we did that one also. If order of the addends will change, then what happens? So nothing will happen in the sum. So it is your wish. If you want to add from top to bottom to top and top to bottom, that is your wish. Now 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7. Answer is 7. Then total how many carrots? All the 3 they grow? 72. Here step. Total number of carrots. Total number of carrots. All the 3 grow is 72 carrots. 72 carrots. So all the 3 members they grow 72 carats in all. 72 carats in all. Next question here. Lokesh had 28 coins and 14 notes in his money bank, means kitty bank, money bank. So his dad gave him 21 coins. How many coins? 21 coins. Who gave? His dad. His dad gave him 21 coins and his mother gave him 14 coins. How many coins? 14 coins. So then what he is asking, how many coins does he give now? He have now. He have not gave, here have. How many coins did he have now? He have now. Here, see here, Lokesh. First, how many coins he had? 16 coins. So here notes are there, notes also there, 40 notes, but here, so in the question he is asking only coins. How many coins are there? So we have to focus on coins only, not notes. Why? Because our question is on coins only. So how many coins he is asking? How many coins? So first, how many coins he is having in his bank, in his money bank? 28 coins. And how many coins his dad gave him? 21 coins. Then how many coins his mother gave him? 14 coins. So then total coins we need. Total. So whenever total is there, we have to add. We have to add. Now here, number of coins. Solution. Number of coins. Lokesh had in his money bank. How many coins? 28 coins. 28 coins. So keep your numbers like this. So leave some space between ones and tens place. So it is very easy to calculate. Then after that, number of coins his dad gave him. Number of his dad gave him. How many coins? 21 coins. 2 in tens place and 1 is in ones place. Like this we have to write. Then number of coins, so his mother gave him. Number of coins his mother gave him. How many coins? 14 coins. 1 in tens place, 4 in ones place. 4 in ones place. Now we have to add all the coins. Why we are adding here? Total coins is asking. How many coins does he have now? So addition. How to add? This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Ones place values first. We have to add from right to left, that is from ones to tens. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Whenever we are adding 1, then we get successor. 8 successor is 9. So this rule is there in addition. So 8 plus 1 is 9.